Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get AdSense PIN verification. So let's get into it. First of all, sign into your AdSense account. Click Payments. Then click on Verification Check. Enter the PIN exactly as it appears in your PIN mailer. Click Submit. Your payment address is now verified. You'll be paid out when your account balance reaches the payment threshold, as long as there are no holds on your account and you're in compliance with the AdSense program policies. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.